So myself, I am Rahul Makhija and I will be the co-teacher in this class. And it's a request to everyone, please rename yourself by your real name. Okay, students? So we are seeing very smiling faces. Okay, so students, if you have any doubt related to the session, you can raise your hands or you can share your query in the chat box. And Garima Jindal ma'am will be take your class, will take this session. It's request to everyone, please rename yourself by your real name. Garima ma'am.
Yes, Rahul sir.
You can start, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Rahul sir. Good afternoon, students, and welcome to the demo class for logical reasoning. I hope you all are pink of your health, staying home and staying safe. I am your Olympiad trainer, Garima Jindal, and we have Rahul sir with us, who is my co-teacher and will assist you during this online session. Today, we will learn about the main topic of logical reasoning, that is direction sense test. Now, what is logical reasoning and what is the importance of logical reasoning? Logical reasoning is an important part of the various Olympiad exams, as you all know, NCO, NSO, and other competitive exams, right? Now, it helps us to develop our critical and decision making skills. All agreed? Now, we have divided logical reasoning in two parts. One is verbal part and second is non-verbal part. Now, the topic direction sense test we will cover in verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning is the test to determine the child's critical thinking skills as well as their ability to use their own knowledge to solve the problem. Agreed, everyone? Now, let us reach on your topic, that is direction sense test. Now, before moving today's topic, direction sense test, first I ask what is direction and where we have used direction to your students. So students, who will tell me the what is direction and where we have used the directions? Yes, I have many of the students here. So Tanvi, hi Tanvi. Tanvi, please unmute yourself and tell me what is direction. Are you aware about the topic directions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, directions, I have learned here that directions are... Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah, Koshani, please. First, Tanvi has to speak, then.
Okay, ma'am.
Tanvi, would you like to answer? Or I move to the another student?
Ma'am, I actually didn't know this.
Okay. Then I move to the Aryan. Yes, Aryan, you have raised your hand. Please unmute yourself and tell me what is direction. Aryan, can you please unmute yourself? Okay, fine. Koshani, please you answer.
Directions are those which helps us to locate the place where we will go. There are two types of directions.
Okay, fine. So, In today's class, we will learn about direction sense, in which we will cover types of direction, clockwise and anti-clockwise turn, fraction between two directions, angle between two directions, and in the last, we will practice questions from Olympiad. Now, my question is, what is direction? And Kushan given me the answer. So everyone, if everyone agreed, give me thumbs up. If everyone agreed with the Kushani's answer. Yes, Sanjita has given. Shanaya. Yes, Gaurish, are you agreed with Kushani's answer? Okay. Tanvi, are you agreed? Okay, then fine. Now, what is direction? Direction sense is the ability to know a person's current location and then finding the correct way towards the destination. See how? Suppose P, this is my current location, and Q, my destination. This is destination and this is my current location. Now, to finding the way, correct way from P towards Q, we need direction sense test. Can anybody tell me where we have used the directions? Just raise the hands and tell me where we have used the directions. Can anybody tell me? Yes, sorry.
Ma'am and Maya.
Okay, Shraddha, please tell me where we have used the directions.
Ma'am, we have used direction on roads.
Yes. While driving. Yes.
Walking from one place to another.
Yes. While using GPS. You all know about GPS?
Yes, ma'am.
We need direction. Yes, Sanchita, you want to say something? Okay, tell me where we have used the directions.
We have used directions while going to some place in a car.
Very good. And more answers. Okay, fine. Now we have types of direction. How many types of direction you have learned? We have learned 4 types of direction. First is east, west, north, and south. And how we draw these 4 directions on the paper? First, we draw a horizontal line, then a vertical line. Now, on the right side of the horizontal line, we have our east direction. On the left side of the horizontal line, we have our west direction. On the top of the vertical line, we have our north direction. And on the bottom of the vertical line, we have our south direction. So this is the way we have draw our 4 directions on the paper. And what are the abbreviations we have used for these 4 directions? E for east, W for west, N for north, and S for south. So this is the pictorial representation. Just a minute. So this is the pictorial representation of our 4 directions on the screen. North, east, west, and south. Now we move to the next direction, next topic, that is cardinal directions. Like the 4 main directions, we have cardinal directions. Four cardinal directions are northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. And what is the cardinal direction? The directions lies between two main directions are known as cardinal directions. This is the pictorial representation of cardinal directions. You can easily see northwest is lying between north and west. Southwest is lying between south and west. Southeast is lying between south and east. And northeast is lying between north and east. And the abbreviations we have used for these four cardinal directions are NW for northwest, NE for northeast, E for southeast, and SW for southwest. Now, any doubt? If anybody have any kind of doubt, please let us know in the chat box. Rahul sir will answer your all queries and all doubts. So if you people do not have any doubt or query, then my question is on the screen. Which point is in the northwest of point P? And the image is shown on your screen. And tell me who will answer this question. Just raise the hands. I will ask the question. Raise the hand, please. Okay. Rajveer, can you please answer this question? Please unmute yourself and answer this question. Rajveer, are you able to listen me?
South.
Okay.
S.
Is the answer is correct? Everybody
S.
just give me thumbs up if Rajveer is correct. Okay. Okay. So let us see how the S is correct answer. First, we draw our A direction point P as center. The north, east, west, and south. And now inter cardinal directions. This is northwest, northeast, southeast, and southwest. So what we have seen, the point S is in the northwest of point P. So the correct answer is option B. And the pictorial representation of the answer of this question is on your screen. Is everybody agreed? Just give me thumbs up. If okay, now we move to the next topic. That is clockwise and anti-clockwise turn. Now, what is clockwise and anti-clockwise turn? As the name describes, clockwise turn means moving in the hands of the direction on the clock. This is clockwise turn. Moving like this is also called right turn. What is anti-clockwise turn? Anti-clockwise turn means moving in the opposite direction of the hands on a clock. That means like means like this. So this is anti-clockwise turn. That means left turn. Clear? Everybody, clockwise and anti-clockwise turn? Okay. Now we move to the next topic. That is practice question. If everybody is clear with clockwise and anti-clockwise, just raise the hands. Okay, fine. Now the question is on your screen. Just read carefully and tell me the answer. From his house, Ron went 15 kilometers to the north. Then he turned left and covered 10 kilometers. Then again he turned left and covered 5 kilometers. Finally, turning to left, he covered 10 kilometers. In which direction is he from his house? So first, who will answer this question? Yes, Poonam. To give me the answer? Poonam, please unmute yourself and tell me the answer of this question. Okay. Yes, Poonam, would you like to give me the answer? Who wants to answer? Vikram. Vikram, would you like to give the answer?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes. Yes, Pink 32 Samriddhi, would you like to give the answer? Okay. See how. First, I draw my directions on the paper like this. This is north, east, west, and south. Now, keep P point or center point as the Ron's house. Now, from P, Ron moved 15 kilometers towards north. Now, he left. Left means anti-clockwise. That means like this. So, he moved and covered 10 kilometers. Now again, he turned left and covered 5 kilometers. Again, when he moving turn left, he is moving like this and cover 5 kilometers. Again, he turning to the left and cover 10 kilometers. That means this distance and this distance should be same, right? So this is 10 kilometers. So this is Ron's final position. Now this is initial position, final position. So Ron is in the north of his original position. So the correct answer is C. Right? So the correct answer is C. Now the visual description of the solution is shown on your screen. Just read, and if anybody have any kind of doubt, please ask. Just read it and tell me if anybody have any kind of doubt, or I move to the next question. Right. Now I move to the next, that is fraction between two directions. Who will tell me if I divide a whole in 4 equal parts, then what is the fraction each equal part? What is the fraction of this part? Yes, who will answer me this question? Mishika Mittal, would you like to answer? What is the fraction of this part? If I divide 4 equal parts, what is the fraction of each equal part? Mishika. Mishika, can you please unmute yourself and tell me the answer? Okay, Manan, would you like to answer this question?
The fraction between the two directions.
Yes. No, I am asking, just listen carefully. If I divide a whole in 4 equal parts, then
Okay.
what is the fraction of each equal part? Question is, what is the fraction of each equal part? Yes, Manan.
That is 1/4.
Yes, very good. So this time here is whole and are 4 equal parts. So
Yes.
fraction of each equal part. This is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. So fraction between the direction north and east is 1/4. Similar between east and south is 1/4. West and south is 1/4. North and west is 1/4. Like the main directions, we have fraction between our cardinal directions also. Now this time, this whole is divided into 4 equal parts and the 4 equal parts are 1, this is 2, this is third part and this is fourth part. So the fraction between northeast and southeast is 1/4. Southeast and southwest is 1/4. Southwest and northwest is 1/4. Northwest and northeast is 1/4. So we have learned the fraction between two main or two cardinal direction is 1/4. Anybody have any kind of doubt? Please answer. Just let me know. Raise your hand and ask your question. Now, like fraction between two main directions and two cardinal directions, we have fraction between one main and one cardinal directions. So what is the fraction between north and northeast? Who will tell me if I divide this whole in 8 equal parts, then what is the fraction of each equal part? Who will tell me? Yes, Pranshi, they. Pranshi, would you like to give me the answer? What is the fraction between north and northeast? This time I divide this whole in 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what is the fraction between north and northeast? Yes, Pranshi. Can you please unmute yourself and tell me the answer? Okay, Manasvi, would you like to give me the answer?
Ma'am, 1/8.
1/8. Very good. So everyone agreed with? Right. So this is the fraction between one main and one cardinal direction. So what we have learned? We have learned the fraction between two main or two cardinal direction is 1/4 and the fraction between one main and one cardinal direction is 1/8. Now likewise fraction, we have angle between two directions. Angle between two main directions or two cardinal directions. These are two main directions and what is the angle between these two main directions? See how this horizontal line and this vertical line intersect each other like this, right? So this is perpendicular. You have all learnt about perpendicular or right angle. And what is the measure of right angle? Yes, Khyati. What is the measure of right angle? Khyati, would you like to answer? Okay. The measure of right angle is 90 degree. What is the measure of right angle? Measure of right angle is 90 degree. So the angle between two main directions and two cardinal directions is 90 degree. And the angle between one main and one cardinal direction is 45 degrees. See how this ray, that is called east, this ray divide angle formed with north and east in two equal parts, and when we divide 90 degree in two equal parts, the angle measure of each angle is 45 degree. Right? Agreed? Yes, Shanaya? Okay. ये जिनका who is he South, his name is written in South Indian language. Okay. Anshika? Riyansh, clear? Angle between one main and one cardinal direction? Okay. If clear, then answer this question. The question is on your screen. Nisha is facing southeast. If she turns 3 right angles clockwise, then she will be facing 4 options we have: temple, food center, club, and...
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me your name.
Ma'am, Vikram.
Yes, Vikram.
Ma'am, can you go to the previous slide?
Previous slide. The angle between one main and cardinal direction, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so we are making it half or dividing?
Beta, half or dividing by 2 is same. See, this time here we divide 90 degree in two equal parts, 1 and 2. So what is the measure of each equal part? When we divide 90 degree in two equal parts,
45 degrees.
Is each equal part is 45 degree. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now clear? If clear, then Vikram, please answer this question. Nisha is facing southeast. If she turns 3 right angles clockwise, then she will be facing. Yes, if Vikram wouldn't be able to answer, then Kian. Kian, would you like to answer this question? Kian, just unmute yourself and tell me the answer of this question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. It's library. It's library.
It's library. Very good. It's a library. Very. Now see how. Nisha is facing southeast. That means first I draw my 8 direction: north, east, south, and west. Northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Now where is southeast? Towards temple. Now Nisha face is temple, towards temple. Now she turned 3 right angles clockwise. 3 right angles clockwise means what is the measure between one cardinal direction and one main direction? 45 degree. And what is the angle between 2 cardinal and 2 main directions? 90 degree. And clockwise. Clockwise means moving like this. Right? So when we are moving 3 right angles, it turns like this: 1, 2, and 3. Nisha will be facing library. Am I clear? Okay? Okay with everyone? Haley, is it okay? Give me thumbs up if it is okay. Very good. Now, any doubt? If not, then the correct formation of this answer is on your screen. Just read it. If anybody have any kind of doubt, just raise the hand and let me know. Okay, Mudit, would you have any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Now we move to the next topic, that is tips and tricks. Now listen carefully. If we are facing north, if we are facing in north and we want to move towards right from north, we would like to move right towards north. Where we will be facing? We will be facing in the east. And when we are facing to the north and want to move in the left direction, where we will be facing? In the west, right? So this is the tips and tricks. If anybody have any kind of doubt, please ask in the chat box or Rahul sir will answer. Now first question on your screen from the Olympiads, practice question and the options. If Mohit is facing sports club and turn in an anti-clockwise direction to face the airport, what angle did he turn through? What angle did he turn through? Yes, who will answer this question? 1 5t. Please tell me your name and answer this question. 1 5t. Okay, Shilpika, would you like to answer? Shilpika? Am I audible to everyone? Just give me thumbs up if I am audible to everyone. Okay, Mudit, please answer this question.
Ma'am, 180 degree.
Sorry?
Ma'am, option C.
No, that is not
Ma'am,
correct.
can I?
Yes, please tell me your name and answer the question.
Ma'am, my name is Vikram. Ma'am, the answer would be D.
No, D is not correct. Anybody else? Tanvi? Tanvi, would you like to answer?
Ma'am, my name is not Tanvi. I am Samar. My little sister is Tanvi.
Okay.
The answer
Samar,
is 225.
answer is?
225.
Very good. So the correct answer is 225. That means option A. Now see how. Mohit is facing sports club. That means this is Mohit's current location. He is facing towards sports club and turns in an anti-clockwise direction. Now anti-clockwise direction means left, right, like this. Now he moved like this and face to the airport. Now what angle did he turn? We know the angle between two main or two cardinal direction is 90 degree. So this is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is west, and this is northwest. So the angle between southeast and northeast is 90 degree. Angle between northeast and northwest is 90 degree. And the angle between northwest and west is 45 degree. So the total turn is 90 degree plus 45 degree. That means 225 degree. Right? Now clear to everybody? Mudit, clear? Samar, clear? Okay. Now we move to the next question. And that is the representation of the previous question on your screen. If anybody have any kind of doubt, please raise your hand. Now the next question is on your screen with 4 options. Trisha is facing Doraemon. She first makes half turn to her left, 5/8 turn to her right. What will she be facing now? Now, who will answer this question? Yes, Atharva. Atharva, would you like to answer this question? Atharva? Am I audible to Atharva?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Atharva, if I'm audible to you, then please answer this question. I want correct answer from you.
Yes, ma'am. What is the question?
Question is on your screen, Trisha is facing the Doraemon. First makes 1/2 turn to her left and 5/8 turn to her right. What will she be facing now?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know. You have not learned the previous slides, or I taught to you.
Ma'am, you were not audible.
Sorry.
You were not audible. That time you were audible.
Am I not audible to anybody? Yes, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am, is audible.
Okay. Then who will answer? Khyati Gupta. Yes, Khyati Gupta, would you like to answer this question? Khyati, can you please unmute yourself? Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, please tell me your name.
My name is Aryan Korikar.
Yes, Aryan, please answer this question.
Answer is Minnie Mouse.
Very good. Now see how. Very good, Aryan. Very good. Trisha is facing the Doraemon. That means this is Trisha's facing. She first makes half turn to her left. That means in anti-clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction. Now, this is the half turn in anti-clockwise direction. Now, after the half turn to her left, she will be facing Tweety, right? Now, then 5/8 turn to her right. 5/8 turn means 5 times 1/8. And to her right, right means in the clockwise direction, right? In the clockwise direction. 5 times 1/8. We know the fraction between one cardinal and one main direction is 1/8. So this is 1/8. This is 1/8. This is 1/8. This is 1/8 and this is 1/8. So these all 1/8 forms 5/8 in the right. So now in the last, Trisha is facing towards Minnie Mouse and the correct answer is D. Any doubts? Jyoti, Anya, Sai, any doubt? Manasvi? Okay. Now this is the representation of answer on your screen. If anybody have any kind of doubt, just raise the hand or unmute yourself and tell me the doubt. Yes? Okay. Now the next question is on your screen and I want, yes, Sai. Sai, would you like to answer this question? Question is on your screen. Sai, am I audible to you? Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Please answer this question. Question is on your screen. Chetna is facing towards church. If she turns 90° clockwise and then turns 135° anti-clockwise, then what will she be facing? Mall, bank, hospital, home. Yes, Manan. Manan, would you like to answer this question? Manan.
Ma'am,
Yes. Who?
I'm
First
Janvi.
tell me your name.
Ma'am, Janvi.
Yanvi. Okay. Yes, Yanvi, would you like to answer this question?
Ma'am, I'm not Janvi, I'm Jahanvi.
Okay, Jahanvi, sorry.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I know the answer. It's option C, right?
it's
C.
option C. Very good. Now,
ma'am.
clear to everybody? Kairav, Narula, clear to you? Okay, let's see how. Chetna is facing towards church. Towards church, that means in this direction. Right? Now she turns 90-degree clockwise. Now 90-degree clockwise means right turn. Clockwise means like this. 90-degree means this is south and this is west. So angle between south and west is 90-degree. And in the clockwise means she moved in this direction. This is 90-degree. Now she turns 135-degree anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means like this. Now, when she move anti-clockwise in this direction, she will be facing hospital because the breakup of 135-degree is 90-degree plus 45-degree. So, the correct answer is hospital. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm Vikram. Ma'am, I was like thinking that only because when we move right to the church, we get mall, and when we break up, we get 45 and 90 plus 45, 135. Then we will like go to the hospital.
Sorry, can you please repeat what you have saying, please? Can you please repeat?
Ma'am, I was like telling the answer, but I cannot unmute myself, so I tell it like late. But I want to tell the answer, but now the answer is discussed.
No problem, no problem. So, it now clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Clear to everyone? Yes, the correct answer is on your screen and the formation of the answer. If it is clear to everybody, please just give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you. Now the next question. In the given clock, if the minute hand.
Now I have a question.
Yes, yes.
I have a doubt in the previous question. Means
Yes.
right, in the previous question, right meant to go to the right side, but the clockwise is going left.
Sorry, can you please repeat? Can you please repeat the doubt?
Ma'am, over here, if we want to go to right, then we should go to hospital, not to the mall.
When you're going to right, right means clockwise turn. Right means clockwise turn. And how the clock moves? Clock moves like this.
But right is going to hospital.
Right is not going to hospital when clock moves like this. Now, just assume here is 6 and there is 9. And if the clock moves, it moves like this, not like this.
Yeah.
Am I right? So, when the Chetna is moving 90-degree clockwise, she is turning towards school, not home. Okay? Now the next question is on your screen. And the options. In the given clock, if the minute hand rotates 270-degree anti-clockwise, then in which direction will it point? Northwest, east, west, and south? East. Now who will answer this question? Yes, Kian. Kian, would you like to answer? Kian, would you like to answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Tanvi, would you like to answer, beta? Rajveer. Yes, many of you have raised your hand. That means you know the answer. Vikram, Rajveer, OnePlus, Arushi, anybody of you?
Ma'am, Shivam.
Ma'am, West.
Yes, ma'am, West.
Ma'am, West.
Ma'am, the West option.
Okay, everybody says West. So West is the correct answer. Now see how. In the given clock, if the minute hand, so first I draw my 8 directions like this. Okay. These
Okay, ma'am.
are 8 directions: north, east, south, and west. This is northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest, right? Now 270-degree anti-clockwise. What is the breakup of 270-degree? Breakup of 270-degree is 90-degree plus 90-degree plus 90-degree, right? Now in the anti-clockwise means like this, right? So when the minute hand moves in anti-clockwise 3 times 90-degree, 1, 2, 3. So the correct answer is west. So everybody was wrong. Correct answer is east. Correct answer is east. Everybody move in the clockwise direction, not in anti-clockwise. Read carefully. 270-degree anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise means in the opposite direction of the hands of the clock. Opposite direction of the hands of the clock. So the minute hand will be in each direction after 270-degree anti-clockwise turn. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Now, my question to you is, if I am asking, this is north, this is east, this is south, just see carefully. This is west. This is my intermediate directions: northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. My question is, what is the fraction between north and west? What is the fraction between north and west, north and northwest, north and northwest in anti-clockwise direction? In anti-clockwise direction, what is the fraction between north and northwest in anti-clockwise direction? Manan, you have raised your hand. So just tell me the answer. What is the fraction between north and northwest in anti-clockwise direction? Okay, Shilpika, would you like to answer this question?
Ma'am, can I see?
Yes, just tell me your name.
Ma'am, this is Shilpika.
Okay, Shilpika, please.
Ma'am, is it 45 degrees?
No, beta, I'm not asking about angle. I'm asking about fraction. What is the fraction between north and northwest?
Ma'am, 1/8.
Very good. In the anti-clockwise direction, right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
No, don't mute yourself. Now, what is the angle between north and northwest in clockwise direction? What is the angle between north and northwest? North and northwest in clockwise direction. Yes, Shilpika. I want correct answer from your side. Shilpika, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just tell me the answer. What is the fraction between north and northwest in clockwise direction?
Ma'am, is it? Ma'am, in clockwise direction?
Yes, in clockwise direction. See, Shilpika, in clockwise move.
Ma'am, can I say this?
Yes, please tell me your name.
Ma'am, my name is Chirantan.
Okay, please tell the answer, correct answer.
Ma'am, it is 315 degrees.
No, beta, I'm not asking angle. I'm asking about what is the fraction between north and northwest in clockwise direction.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 8 by 8?
Beta, it's a 7 by 8. Now see how.
7 by 8.
Yes, correct. 7 by 8. See how in clockwise move, we move like this, correct? So how,
Yes, ma'am.
how many 1 by 8s we have moved? 1 by 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the fraction between north and northwest in anti-clockwise direction is 1 by 8 and in clockwise direction is 7 by 8. Now clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I thought that like directly at the north.
Okay, then just answer me the next. I have asked one more question. Okay, now again, this is my 8 direction. North, northeast, east, southeast, south, and this is southwest, west, and northeast. Northwest, sorry. So what is the angle south and southwest? What is the angle between south, southwest in clockwise direction? Angle between south and southwest direction.
ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, my name is Vikram, ma'am. It will be 90 degree.
No, it is not 90 degree. Just listen carefully. South and southwest in clockwise direction.
Ma'am, it is 90 degree. Sorry, it is 45 degree.
Very good. Just tell me your name.
Ma'am, again.
Yes.
Ma'am, Chirantan.
Very good, Chirantan. Very good. Now, just tell me, what is the angle between south and southwest in anti-clockwise direction? In anti-clockwise, Aryan. Aryan, please answer this question. Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, can I?
Please tell me your name and then answer.
Ma'am, my name is Vikram, ma'am. It will be 45.
No, I'm asking Vikram, angle between south and southwest in anti-clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise.
270.
Ma'am, it is 315.
Very good. Just tell me your name. Who tell 315?
Ma'am, Chirantan.
Chirantan. Very good, Chirantan. This is 315 degree. Right? No, this is not 315 degree. No, this is not 315.
Ma'am, 270.
No, not 270. Angle between south and southwest in anti-clockwise direction. Only Chirantan has given the answer. See, what I have taught, the angle between two main directions is 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. And the angle between main and cardinal direction is 45 degree. Right? So 90 plus 90 plus 93 times is 270 plus 45 is 315 degree. Now clear? Now clear to everyone? The main topic is fractions between two directions and angles between two directions, and the concept is very important. Now in today's class, we have learnt about 4 main directions: north, east, south and west. 4 cardinal directions. Cardinal directions are lying between two main directions, that is northwest, northeast, southwest and southeast. Also, we have learned fraction between two main or two cardinal directions is 1/4. Fraction between one main and one cardinal direction is 1/8. Angle between one main and one cardinal direction is 45, and the angle between two main or two cardinal directions is 90 degree. So this is today's learning, and thank you so much. If you have any doubt or any kind of query, just leave your question in chat box. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.
And we have to leave.
If you have any kind of ask.
Ma'am, I have no doubts.
Yes.
Ma'am, I told I have no doubts.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, when we
Teacher,
go,
I am having a
ma'am,
doubt. Teacher, I am also having a doubt.
No, ma'am, no
One
doubt.
by one, please. One by one.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Ma'am,
You
no
muted
doubt.
me the whole time, so I did not get a chance to answer the question.
Sorry.
Yeah, I have a doubt.
You muted me the whole time.
Teacher, I have a doubt in the previous question. Teacher, I also have a doubt. I have the clock moves to 70 degree
I
anti-clockwise.
had to answer the question, but you muted me, ma'am. That's why I could not answer. I keep
Teacher, I have a
on
doubt.
sending
I have a doubt
in the chat box.
too.
Once see.
Ma'am, I did not got any chance to answer any single question. Teacher, me too, and teacher, I have a doubt.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Can I
Yeah,
ask?
I have a doubt.
Okay, 1 minute.
Student unmute.
Hello, please ask your questions one by one. Please raise your hand and the teacher will unmute and she will listen to your query. Okay, and I have pasted a link in the chat box for the feedback about today's class. So please submit your feedback about today's class, or you can ask your parent to submit the feedback. So I have shared the link in the chat box. Please click and fill
Ma'am,
the
can I
form.
ask the doubt?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. Now student can ask their doubt one by
Ma'am,
one.
my doubt is, my name is Vikram. Ma'am, if we go right of south, so what angle we will get?
Where you want to go here? From south.
Like south from south east.
Ma'am, you are muted. I cannot
Ma'am, you are muted.
I have a doubt.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Yes, ma'am. Now you can mute.
Now south and southeast.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. This is south and this is southeast, right? Now what is the question, Vikram?
Ma'am, my question is, if we move for like south from southeast, which angle will we get?
See Vikram, just listen carefully. If I am moving from south to southeast in clockwise direction, how clock moves? Clock moves like this. So
Yes,
I will be moving this in clockwise, right?
Okay, ma'am.
What is the angle between two main directions?
Ma'am,
The angle between two main This is 90 degree.
Yes, ma'am. 180 degree. Then
So this is 90 degree. This
90
is 90
degree.
degree
180.
and this is 90 degree and this is 45 degree. Right? Clear?
Okay, ma'am. So we will get
90 plus 90
180.
plus 90, 270 and then 45. 270 plus 45 is
315.
315. Very good. Now, if I want to move from south to southeast in anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means like this.
Yes, ma'am.
That means I will move like this.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 45 because the angle between one main and one cardinal direction is 45 degree.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I understood. Thank
So
you.
the angles and the fraction between two directions vary according to the turns. In anti-clockwise and in clockwise turns, the fractions and the angles vary. Right? Anshika, do you have any doubt?
Teacher Sharanya has a doubt.
Yes, Sharanya, please.
Teacher, I have two doubts. First doubt is the one that Ron one. He took a turn, like he took a in which he went north, then he left, then he went left, again he went left and again left. What is his current direction? That one question.
That is your question. Okay, wait. Move to the question, Ron's. See this question?
Yes, teacher.
Wait. Yes, just see carefully. First, I draw my directions. Now, this is my directions. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. Now, keep center as Ron's house as P. This is Ron's house. Now, from this point, this is Ron's house. From this point, he moved 15 kilometers north. Now he turned left. Left means anti-clockwise turn. Now anti-clockwise turn, he moved like this and turn 10 kilometers. Now again turn left. Left means again in this direction 5 kilometers. Then again turn left and 10 kilometers in this direction. Now this is his destination point. This is current or the initial position and this is destination position. So Ron is in the north of his original or the initial position. Now clear?
Yes, teacher. And my last doubt was that in the 23rd sum, it was if the minute hand will take 270 degree turn.
270 degree turn.
The last.
Wait.
Your last question on number 23rd sum that was.
Wait. I moved at that question. Just stop me when I reach there.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, this one.
This one? This one clock?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now this is your question, right?
Yes, teacher.
In the given clock, if minute hand rotates 270 degree anti-clockwise, 270 degree. So first I draw my directions. Clear? Now 270 degree, what is the breakup of 270 degree? 90, 90, 90.
And 90.
Correct? Now
Yes,
in
teacher.
anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise means like this,
Opposite direction. of
right?
clock. Yes,
Minute
teacher.
hand faces
12.
the north.
Yes, teacher.
When minute hand moves in anti-clockwise direction, it will move like this,
Yes, teacher.
right? So 270 means 3 times 90 degree and the angle between two main direction is 90 degree.
Yes, teacher.
So this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is 90 degree.
90 degrees.
So the angle between so this is east, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, any doubts?
No, teacher.
Okay. So
Doubts, ma'am.
Ma'am,
yes, yes.
I have doubt in degrees. No, not. I cannot hear you anti-clock and clockwise.
Hanji, boliye. What kind of doubt you have?
Ma'am, when you are teaching us clock and anti-clock, I can't hear you.
You can't hear me. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a in what is a clockwise and
The
anti-clockwise?
clockwise and anti-clockwise means clockwise turn means right turn and anti-clockwise means left turn. Clockwise means moving in the hands of the direction of the clock, and anti-clock means opposite direction of the hands of the clock. So this is clockwise and anti-clockwise. Rahul sir, should I end the class?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Who?
Ma'am, present Pinto, I have a doubt in the fraction of a main and a cardinal direction.
Yes, very nice. What kind of doubt do you have?
Ma'am, a fraction of a main direction and a cardinal direction.
See, these are the 8 directions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this whole is divided into 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And the fraction of each equal part is 1 by 8.
Wait.
Fraction of each equal part is 1 by 8. Right? Now students, if you have any kind of doubt or query, please mail us. We will answer you.
Teacher, what is your email ID?
Rahul sir, please
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
questions.
I will share
we
this
share
ID in
the
the chat
email
box.
ID.
Students, I'm sharing the
Please
email ID in the chat box.
Ma'am, where's the email ID?
Email ID you can see on your screen.
MTG.
Online. Yes, yes, Rahul sir.
Yes, ma'am. MTG online class at
Yes,
the rate
ma'am, it is
mtg.in.
visible.
I've also shared in
Got
the chat
so.
box.
Got.
Okay.
So please mail your queries. We will answer. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, teacher. Bye, teacher. Have a good day.
Thank you. Same to you.
Bye,
Bye.
Have a great
Bye,
day.
teacher.
Bye.
teacher. Have a good day. Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye
teacher.
everyone. Bye everyone.
Bye, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Bye.
ma'am. Good day.
Thank you. Bye.